Hi, I'm Matt from Discover English, and we're here with another 1-minute pronunciation tutorial. Today we're going to talk about two sounds. The first one is a, as in fan, apple, and thanks. The second sound is as in fun and brothers. Both sounds are made with the mouth mostly open and in a rectangle shape, like fan. So don't make a circle shape like moon or moo, yeah? We're making a rectangle shape like fan, fun. The two vowel sounds are actually quite difficult to hear and pronounce. This is because they're the closest sounds in English. So let's practice. So when we make the a sound as in fan, our tongue actually comes quite forward and it actually touches the back of our bottom teeth. So just here, like like in words such as manners, pantry, balance. But with the sound as in fun, our tongues aren't going to come forward. The tongue will actually come back further in the mouth and very relaxed. You can feel it a little bit on the side of your teeth, yeah, in words such as love, runt, under. So let's compare the two sounds. So we have cat and cup, match and much, drank and drunk, paddle and puddle. Okay guys, if you had fun and you're a fan of our videos, we'll be back next week with another one. So good luck brushing up on your English pronunciation.